The Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
You know, sometimes, especially with some of the news that we have going on here, especially over the past few weeks, it can be hard to take a step back and kind of just think about things. But when you have a sunset like we had tonight, certainly helped ease your mind just a little bit more. Here's a picture from WOLFFORTH earlier this evening as that sun slowly began to set. A few clouds across the area really helped to illuminate that sunset and those clouds. So certainly going to be seeing that over the next few days as we are still going to be dealing with some cloud cover. So take in those sunsets and just try to relax for just a little bit. Otherwise, those clouds are still helping to keep our temperatures pretty mild right now. We're into the 50s and 60s, though 53 degrees right now in Tulia at the coolest spot so far in the area. As we head on throughout the next couple days, we're going to be watching a trend on the way. Warmer temperatures, but you're really going to feel that heat, especially by Thursday. Thursday's that best potential too to see record-setting temperatures. Our high temperature forecasted is going to be at 91 degrees. Previous record of 88 degrees set back in 1956. So certainly going to most likely see that forecast verified because we've been hinting on the 90s earlier since this weekend. As we continue throughout the next few days, we will slowly climb in temperatures. We'll get to about 80 degrees tomorrow, upper 80s by Wednesday. Not record setting, but if some places reach the 90s, certainly could set that record, but the best chance to see more record setting temperatures will be on Thursday at about 91 degrees, back into the 80s by Friday, and then upper 60s on Saturday. So Saturday going to feel that cold air and not really going to be expecting a lot of precipitation. We are going to be turning our attention to the fire weather potential Wednesday through about Friday. Those winds are going to pick up and we are going to be left with dry conditions. This is why on Thursday, winds are going to be sustained at 30 miles per hour out of the southwest. Then on Friday, once again, they pick up this time out of the west at about 30 to 35 miles per hour. So a few days of some fire weather potential, but that really comes Wednesday all the way through about Friday. Outside right now from our Seminole Live Sky View, we are quiet. A few clouds across the area. Still seeing that subtropical jet bringing in a little bit more clouds across the area. As we head on throughout the rest of the night tonight, we'll slowly watch that dissipate, and then we'll watch those clouds slowly retreat on down to the south. Otherwise, really not going to be dealing, like I said, with a lot of precipitation chances, especially within the next 7 days. And within the next 6 to 10 days, looks like we are still going to stay below average in terms of precipitation. Here's the good news, though. We are still in a surplus of rainfall for about 1.58 inches. So that's the good news. Not a drought status, but hopefully we can get a little bit more of a pattern flip as we get closer to the month of April. Temperatures tonight will fall into the 40s. By the time you wake up tomorrow morning, it will be chilly. We'll be left with mostly clear conditions by tomorrow as well. It still will remain a little bit breezy tonight. Those winds pick up once again tomorrow, though, out of the southwest, actually at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. And we'll see temperatures still going to be into the upper 70s and lower 80s. Certainly going to pick up, really not under fire weather potential for tomorrow. Most of that will lie to our south and to our west. However, again, we have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We will be dealing with that elevated to critical fire weather risk. Temperatures on Thursday will rise up into the upper 90s, lower 80s by Friday. 69 degrees on Saturday, upper 60s, lower 70s. The coolest day of the next 7. And then Sunday and Monday back into the 70s. Unfortunately, not getting any rain with this forecast, just a lot of strong winds.